Okay, babe, what are you making today?
We are going to make a cheese ball. We haven't done one in a while, so I figured I'd put out another version of our cheese balls. Now this one's gonna have some onion in it, some garlic and dill weed, and cilantro.
Ooh.
The cilantro, I don't know, I guess it's a love-hate thing. We love it, so that's what we're gonna do. So first this has been sitting out for about an hour or so to soften it. Yep, it's pretty soft. Hopefully we can just plop it on in there. Huh?
Mm-hmm.
Let's see how it works.
It's coming off. It's coming off. Oh. Sorry, our neighbors. Hopefully they won't demonetize us with their music.
I don't hear it.
I hear it a bit. I'll close this window over here. Yeah, I cut out some light, but...
Yeah. Guess it's the old-fashioned way, my finger. Alright. Set that over there for now. Make sure, can you still see?
I can still see.
Alright. Now I'm going to cut up some onion. Just one small onion will do. I like to cut off the ends first. That's just my garbage bowl.
Mm-hmm.
And then I cut it in half. Oh man, these are strong. Hopefully I won't start crying. Put it right here. Peel all this off. I always take that first rubbery layer off.
The yummy layer.
Well, not really. It's really hard to cut. So, we don't need that. And let's see. Sometimes it's easier, sometimes it's not. There. And we'll be throwing that out to the fishies later.
They'll eat it.
There's a chunk right there. And then I'm just gonna kind of roughly, they don't have to be, we kind of like our stuff chunky. So like that is what we're gonna do. Oh yeah. Woo. That's getting strong. These are some very strong onions that we picked up at like Winn-Dixie or something.
Mm-hmm. BOGO.
Yep. And now we're just going to put that in the bowl. Set that off to the side. But I kind of want them to be on top of it. That way it's easier to get them. Alrighty. Ooh. I read something about, actually I saw it on a movie. They say to put a matchstick in your mouth, of course not lit, and it will keep your eyes from burning. I haven't tried it because I don't have any matchsticks. And now we're going to put 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic. Of course I use the kind that's already chopped. If you want to chop it, 2 cloves. Try not to overdo it. Oops, oh well.
You can't overdo our garlic.
Not really. I mean, I guess you can, but I haven't found it to where that I was over garlicked. Just putting all this over here. Alright. 1 teaspoon of salt. You don't really want more than that because you can actually make these too salty.
Mm-hmm.
And especially if you're going to be serving it with crackers or something that already have salt on them. Yeah, you don't want to over salt. 1 teaspoon. I have it. It's in a bag. It's dried cilantro, but if you're doing fresh, like 1 tablespoon of chopped cilantro. It's just hard to keep fresh ingredients on board.
Yep.
And getting to the store. Woo! That's a doozy. And then some dill weed. Of course, dried. So we're going to do 2 teaspoons of that because we kind of want it more pickly tasting. Oh, dear.
Yeah, it's getting louder out there.
Oh, shit. Oh. Hopefully I didn't pick that up. And then like a 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper. Okay, so now we got to mix it up. I just use a fork. I'm just kind of start doing this. Making sure all the ingredients are mixed up. My husband's been wanting me to make this for quite a while. I was like, no, I'm going to do a recipe on that. I can't make it yet.
This was supposed to be Christmas and then New Year's.
Yeah, we got caught up in some boat stuff. Yay, boat. Be good. No.
Sample it.
No. I'm gonna have to scrape it off with a spoon. I actually have some plastic wrap, so I'm gonna use because I normally do parchment paper. But since I have plastic wrap, I was like, I'll try some plastic wrap. How do you get it off here? I don't know. Oh, there it is.
That came with the boat, guys.
It did. But this is one thing I hate about plastic wrap. It wants to already start wrapping on you. Alright. That should be good enough. I'm gonna get all that off. I'm going to start trying to make it into a ball in the bowl. There. Get all them goodies out of there. I think I had a spatula too. Probably a spatula would work best. But that's alright. We're gonna do it like that.
Yeah, the music out there is getting louder.
I know, and it's Sunday.
Okay.
And then we're gonna wrap it up.
And put it in the fridge.
Okay, now let's see, I gotta wrap it. So I think I'll go like that. Like that. And then fold it underneath.
Like a well-rounded cheese ball.
And make sure it's round on the ingredients. I think that's good enough. Doesn't have to be perfect. We're gonna eat it. And then we're gonna chill it in the fridge. Oh, here's my fridge. For an hour. Or longer. If you come back to an hour and it's still soft, I would do a little bit longer. So, we'll be back. So, it's been 2 hours. And And we're taking this cheese ball out so we can have a snack. So it's pretty firm. You know, it's been marinating. And let's see. Hopefully it's easy to get out of this plastic wrap because I don't normally use plastic wrap.
Looks pretty easy, baby.
Oh, I guess so. I'm just going to plop it right there.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, there's barely any trash. So this is our, I don't really have a name for it yet. It's our onion, cilantro, dillweed cheese ball. We have a ton of cheese balls, so go look at those on our website, chrissaswhat.com or Danielle.com. Or you can just watch us make stuff on YouTube. And we always have like the like if you want to actually make it, all the details and everything like that of how to do that.
And you can watch our adventures on our boat as we get rocked.
That's weird. We're in a very calm Anchorage.
Yeah, somebody came past. I heard them.
Nice little boat came by. But yeah, so check us out. We're getting back into our recipes again because we had been stopped by some boat stuff. But yeah, so this is the cheese ball. And
ooh, yeah.
We're going to keep bringing you guys some good eats. We've been experimenting a lot and I haven't been putting them out. And some of the stuff has been really good because we keep eating it. And I'm like, I really got to do a recipe on that.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So, check us out. Yeah. We're simple cooks. Not very expensive people. So we'll see you next time. Bye.